Most people get this wrong. They assume Oryx is just another payday or buy now pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Oryx has grown into a versatile financial platform, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and insights to help you manage your money effectively. Here's how it works. Oryx allows you to access part of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This can help cover unexpected expenses, emergency bills, or urgent purchases without relying on high-interest credit cards. Additionally, Oryx lets you split eligible purchases into manageable payments, keeping your monthly budget on track. The app's dashboard is clean and intuitive. You can track advances, see upcoming payments, and monitor spending patterns in real time. Push notifications and alerts ensure you don't miss payments, helping you avoid late fees and build better financial habits. The downside, overuse can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can accumulate fees quickly, so it's important to use Oryx as a short-term financial aid, not a permanent solution. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications on to track upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Oryx in 2026 is a flexible and practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.